Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download songs in Spotify. We'll first go ahead and launch Spotify. Now let me explain something to you. You can only download songs when they're in a playlist or an album. You cannot download individual songs in Spotify. So what you need to do is come here at the bottom right and click on playlist. So we're going to be creating a playlist. You can either create a playlist with just one song if you want to download that one song, or you can do multiple songs. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to download multiple songs in Spotify. You can also do this with one. It's just an example. Okay, you have a playlist name. We'll name this non-copyrighted or non-copyright music and click on create. Now right here, we need to add it to this playlist. So I'll click on add to playlist and then we'll look for a song. So we'll name it and we'll search for NCS. So we have this one right here, like this one. So we'll use this. So I'll add this, right? So that has been added to my playlist. Okay. If I want, I can download this. So if I click on these three dots, I can click on download. As for just this one music, as you can see, it's currently downloaded. And now let me add more just to show you. Okay, I'll be adding more songs to my playlist. So I'll click on the three dots, click on add to this playlist. Let's look for more NCS songs to go ahead and add. This one as well. All right, so it's added and it's automatically downloaded this one as well. There you go. Really that easy and simple.